ETZ's assignment entry. To get to your assignments, head to Reference Data, Assignment Entry at the bottom of the list. To add a new one, scroll right to the bottom and click Add New Assignment. Today we will take a look at an open one. You can do this by hitting the pencil button on the left. In the Main Details tab, you will find all the important information. You will find the job title, select the client from a drop-down of all the clients you have in timesheets. You can also select a purchase order if you have created one for your assignment. You would enter the assignment start and end dates, and that you would then add the assignment length, which can be entered by days or hours. This depends on how you pay your candidate. You can also terminate the assignment from this screen and it'll close and stop creating timesheets. You could then enter the location or project and special terms of the assignment. Moving down, you enter the candidate from the drop-down of candidates and payment to, either a candidate or supplier working on an ABN. You then have tick boxes of if they are a contractor to prevent calculation of holidays, and if you would like to display your pay to the candidate. Further down is the timesheet details. Selecting the start date and day are important to ensure the candidate's timesheets start being created correctly. You can also choose the time template. You can create your own or have the generic weekly, fortnightly, monthly. You can also choose if the candidate enters detailed units. This means the candidate will enter start, end, and break times. If not ticked, they will enter basic hours worked in the day. You will then have your expense options here. Moving on to the next tab, Authorization. Here you would select which authorizer or authorizers can approve the timesheets. I have one in this example, but you can add multiple and select your preferred authorizer. The authorizer options will show you all the client users under that client. You also get the options of how the authorizer can access the timesheets, either ETZ sign or online login. Next is categories. This is where you would select your branch, sectors, consultant splits for the assignment. You can also create your own categories to add here. Now on to costing. You can select which currency you would like for your pay and bill, and you can have different pay and bill currencies depending on your candidates and clients. Costings can be set per day or per hour, and you can choose your rate codes, rates, and rate rules as you need. ETZ will automatically calculate your pay and bill amounts according to what you set here. You can also add allowances to your costings that are also automatically calculated based on your rules. You can also mark assignments to provide warnings so you do a manual check at the end of the timesheet to ensure everything is correct or if you need to add something. Next is on-cost and commission. ETZ provides quite a comprehensive function for on-cost and commission. You have many different options for your needs. There could be flat rates, percentages, you can set your minimum and your maximum for whatever you need. Lastly, it is a time and expense sheets tab. Here you can find all the timesheet and expense sheets for your candidate. You can also reopen any timesheets and cancel them from this screen. That's all for the individual assignment entry, but don't forget to modify your view to suit your needs. You can change it to see your active items only, temporary or permanent placements, and search for your candidate's assignments. If you would like to learn more, contact us today.